Hi everyone, let's learn a new topic of synonyms. What are synonyms? A synonym is a word that shows the same meaning. In this category, a word is given to you and you have to write a different word but it has the same meaning. So, a synonym is a word that have same or the similar meaning. For example, big or large. Big is the word and you have to make a synonym of that. So for that the word is different. Large, the word is different but both big and large they have the same meaning, so they are the synonyms. So once again, a synonym is a word that shows the same or the similar meaning. For example, first one is big or huge. Big or huge, they are the synonyms, they have the same meaning in itself. So next one is smart and intelligent. Smart, both words are different but both the words have the same meaning. Number 3, scared or afraid, means you have fear from someone. So scared and afraid both are the synonyms, they have the same meaning in itself. Next one is begin or start. Begin means to start something and again the start means to begin something, both have the same meaning. Next one is rich or wealthy, means the person who have the money. So both words are the synonym of each other. Then small and tiny, listen and hear. Next is delicious, yummy, complete, finish, easy, simple. So both the sides have the same meaning, so they are the synonyms. Let's read some more examples like last, and synonym for last is final. Then speak, talk, clarify, explain, keep, hold, end, finish, old, ancient, job, occupation, glad, happy, connect, join, select, choose. So in this way you can easily understood that if the words are given, you have to write the word which has the same meaning. So they have the same meaning, those words are called the synonyms. So with this, let's read some more new words. Wrong, incorrect, this means the same thing because the thing is wrong as well as incorrect. Unmarried, single, idea, thought, total, entire, choose, select, writer, author, yearly, annually. As you can see, both the sides they have the same meaning, the words are different but they are same, so they are the synonyms. Hot, warm, nice, pleasing, litter, waste, want, desire, average, ordinary, kidnap, capture, write, record, lipid, oils, capitulate, repeat, dry, arid. So once again, as we go through the first example like hot and warm, if something is hot, that thing is warm as well as hot. Nice, pleasing, so both have the same meaning, so you have to make the same word, same meaning, which have the same meaning in the synonym category. So once again, a synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. Some more examples are there like occur, happen. When something happen means something occur, both have the same meaning. Old, ancient, opportunity, chance, page, sheet, beautiful, pretty, peaceful, quiet, quiet, silent, reject, deny, rest, relax, rich, wealthy, coarse, rough, round, circular, ask, inquire, blend, mix, sick, ill, sincere, honest, slim, thin, small, tiny, smart, clever, taxi, cab, trust, believe, unfortunate, unlucky, value, worth, want, desire. So, once again, a synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. In this category, the word you write, that word is different but it has the same meaning. So, that are called the synonyms. I hope you understood this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.